Assalamualaikum and have a good day. Here is the presentation for LAB2 construction of AC high voltage generation and measurement. Then here is a few equipment that have been used. Firstly, single phase AC voltage test transformer. Isolated transformer is used as oscilloscope measures signal as electrical circuit is not galvanically isolated from the network. The purpose of this is to protect the person in charge and the electronic component. Second is measuring capacitor. Capacitor which can be used as HV unit for the AC voltage divider. Third is grounding switch. Remote control switch which can be used to ground the high voltage construction kit.
My name is Kuganesh and I'm going to explain about the electrode. Electrode is used together with the grounding switch, which is ES, and to reduce corona discharge on high voltage parts of the different configuration. For example, for AC 2 or 3 stages, a top electrode on the test transformer recommended to avoid corona effects too. After that, the connection rod, which explain the capacitors, are used to introduce inductive element as to regulate the device to the line frequency. It is also conductive connection element as a aluminum rod. Okay, furthermore, the image shows the connecting cup, which is conductive and connecting element of 4 components can be connected horizontally and 2 components vertically. It will be connected by the connecting rod. Okay, now the floor pedestal. The pedestal is a conductive element for mounting up to 4 space bars horizontally and supporting 1 component vertically. It also every floor pedestal has 2 threads on opposite sides for ground connection. This way the grounding can be made at the end of the assembly simply by screwing the copper foil braid to the floor pedestals without need to rearrange them.
For the secondary part for CMAC, the secondary unit for AC-DC impulse and DC ripple divider connected between HF socket of measuring capacitor resistor and the DMI 551 or picoscope by means of coaxial cable BNC. The inner part of the secondary unit. The connection is a banana female to banana female. The wing-like structure is for grounding. It allows only 7 VRMS and the rated capacitance is 2 microfarad. Okay, for the coaxial cable. The coaxial cable comes in different impedance. Some of them are 50 ohm, 52 ohm and 75 ohms. For the one used in this experiment is 50 ohm, whereby the cable has larger connectors and thicker cable housing. Here we can see that the VM1 is connected to the secondary capacitance 2 microfarad and the coaxial cable is connected to grounding switch. And it also has the top electrode, connection cup, switching grounding, and the copper braided termination is grounded at grounding termination of the frequency converter. Here you can see that the V1 represents the frequency converter, the XFMR1 represents the transformer, and the R1 and R2 is used to control the amount of current flow to the circuit. We also have 2 capacitors which act as voltage dividers, and the whole circuit is grounded. Here we will see how to draw the circuit in the software. First, we will need to search the AC voltage source, which will be represent the frequency cabinet. Then we will place the transformer. After that, we will place the resistor and the capacitor. First, we will have to arrange everything, the equipment we need to build the circuit. Now we will draw a box which will represent the oscilloscope. Then we'll have to label it. After that, we will have to position each components at their proper state and proper position. Align the capacitors and reposition the transformer. Then we will connect the transformer to the resistor. The resistor is connected to the capacitor in a voltage divider form. Then the coaxial cable with the internal resistor is connected between the two capacitors to the oscilloscope. The primary coil is then connected to the voltage source. Then the circuit is then grounded properly, the whole circuit. After finish drawing the circuit, we will have to assign all the parameters correctly. The value of C1 is 100 picofarad. And the value of C2 is 2 microfarad. After that, all the details required is filled in.